Angus. Angus, where are we going today?
Worcestershire.
We are going to Worcester. In fact, we are going to a place near Worcester, but I don't know what it is. It's gonna be a surprise! Boy, we are 3 minutes away from the football pitch.
In half a mile at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Claines Lane.
Second exit to Claines Lane.
So what
Which
is that?
where Claines Football Club is.
Oh yeah! Oh, we've just seen the Claines sign. So it is called Claines. Is it Claines?
Claines. Is
Claines.
Hamlet.
Claines is a hamlet. Is it hamlet? So it's a tiny one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the sign! Yes, that is the sign! You're the sign hunter today.
Got your sign hunting trousers on.
Oh yeah.
And so I've got my
Yes, look at that, it's
sign
awesome!
hunting footwear. Oh yeah.
Sign hunting footwear. Of 2014 Grand National winner. So you pronounce that one.
Pinot de Rey.
Pinot. And Angus is the sign hunter today. Yes! Come on, Angus.
Oh, sticker.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Unpick it.
You pick it.
Huh?
It's not that difficult, is it? Go on! Go on! What are you doing? It's not that difficult, man! Right, give it. Right.
Right in the middle?
Nah. I mean, whenever you want.
Yeah. Oh, I got a bubble.
Wonderful. I'm going to try to find out what the pears symbolize in the coat of arms of Claines. So Claines coat of arms. It says maybe legend too that the Worcester archers rallied under the pear trees before the battle of, how would you even pronounce this? Agincourt?
Agincourt, yeah.
The Battle of Agincourt. and it is interesting to note that the pear blossom was born as a badge by the Worcestershire. What is this? What is this word? Yeomanry. Yeomanry.
Yeomanry, yes.
Yeomanry cover. It's alright. Something to do with Worcestershire.
So it's right, okay. Battle of Agincourt. Some clunkers put chewing gum on the sign. That's a criminal offence.
It is a criminal offence, and it's damaging our beautiful signs. Go on, go Angus, go right next to it. And shout, sign hunters! Sign hunters! Yes! So we are in Claines, and Claines is not a hamlet because it has a church. It is a village, and it's situated literally in the middle of Worcestershire. Claines Lane. Let's munch on the blackberries. I'm gonna have a ball.
There we go. That's his good deed for the day. Use that. That was such a wussy poke. Yay!
Right. Got it! Yes.
On my head.
Work. Angus is gonna show you how this super duper outdoor bat detector.
This is a
works.
GPS which will set its location and the time, and then I'm just going to program it to only come on between set and sunrise every day for 7 days.
Super duper.
Warning, no microphone connected yet, we know that. A sensitive microphone, weatherproof. It's got a sock on it so the wind doesn't bother it. Yeah. So what am I doing now? That's that.
The Batman is getting ready.
Can't risk one coming undone. Right, who's got?
Agus, do you copy? We just started off and we've already got a bat flying above us.
I see about 5 now.
You can clearly see them. They're just right above us. There's so many.
It's being really batty now.
Alright guys, you are awesome. You've been watching the Sign Hunters today. Yes! We are in Kidderminster and we are going to the fish bar called Captain Cod.
So, I never eat anywhere that isn't hygiene, food hygiene rating 5.
It's rating 5, man.
Yeah, for chicken. Awesome.
That's awesome, isn't it?
Very rude ladies here.
What's your opinion?
The place is very nice.
Do you like it?
Unbattered. Well, what did you say? It's powdered.
Powdered, yeah. Alright, say goodbye.
Very hot. Bye. Alright, we were the last clients in the chip shop. They've just locked the door. And I've just noticed on the wall, there is Captain Cod.
Captain Cod itself! Right.
They were nice, weren't they? They were really funny, those 2 girls.
It is an awesome place. Highly recommended. Right, see you later!